I'm so grateful last year I was invited to Paris. One of the most iconic buildings in Paris is the Notre Dame Cathedral. But this visit, I finally got to discover Notre Dame from the inside out. For those of you that have never been, let me take you through. And the others, welcome back. There are pigeons flapping, people praying, bells ringing, the feeling of serenity all around, and the smell of wax from the candles. It was cold, so the line was short. I had the time to awe at the details, the sculpture work, the stained glass. Notre Dame means Our Lady, as in the Virgin Mary. I have a newfound appreciation for medieval Gothic architecture. Even Napoleon Bonaparte saw the beauty in this cathedral and protected it. Over 850 years old, there were royal coronations, weddings, masses, and of course, my visit. A fire did break out, but so many are coming together to repair the historic building. But we can still remember Notre Dame de Paris in all of its glory. Our thoughts are with you, friends. Share and subscribe below.